Hey guys, I'm Akansha and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your laptop more aesthetic and organized. So let's start. First, we will start with the wallpaper. So I will show you two options for this one. Choose a background picture. Now open Canva. Go to wallpaper and arrange your picture over here. Now if you want to add more aesthetic, add color filter layout over it or leave it as it is. Now go to the shapes, take this square or rectangles, add them on the wallpaper. Now change their color accordingly. Now make them a little transparent so that the background is still visible. Now add heading to each box, any category you want to divide your desktop folder into. Now save and make it as your background. And arrange the folder according, and here goes the first one. Now for the second wallpaper, take one blank color. Again add shapes, but this time we are going to fill the entire space. Now add one quote of your choice in one box. Again take any picture of your choice, add on the box. If you want, you can add calendar and you just have to change it every month. And here it's ready. And again arrange it on your background. Now after wallpaper, we will go to the bottom taskbar, go to settings. Like we can make it transparent or put it in the left corner or the right corner. Also change your theme color and you can change the entire setting into dark mode, and don't forget to change your screensavers. I prefer to make my vision board as my screensaver. It will remind me of my dreams. Also you can make an aesthetic board for yourself and make it your Google Chrome background. It will look awesome in there. So there you have it, an aesthetic looking laptop. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you next Friday. Till then, take care, be happy, bye.